you to do the ceiling and the crown.
Let's try this again with a single video. This is the dining room. We've got a lot of white space. We've got crown molding. We're gonna seal. We got floorboards we're gonna put in. There's a few scratches we gotta take care of in the floor. We're gonna box in with molding on the entrance. And we'll see what it looks like. And then we got priming, molding, and away we go.